Welcome! Today, we're diving into some killer secrets for boosting your Etsy handmade game to astonishing 12K monthly. It starts with finding your micro niche. Think 2025 knitted pet sweaters. Essentially using Etsy's search and sold listings to see, what's in demand.
Yep, exactly. That's pretty ingenious, niching down to something so unique. I mean, it's like, carving out your own special corner in a huge market, right?
Right, exactly. And then you elevate by adding your personal touch, like hand-painted details on top of those. It's like a signature that customers can't resist.
I get that. Now, what really caught my attention is the crafty tool hack, using a $10 Cricut Joy with free design resources. That's a smart move for, cutting production time in half and keeping costs down, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's a budget-savvy shortcut that gears you up for high volume. And speaking of volume, there's a neat pricing trick, a $40 base price with a $10 artisan touch fee. It's a clever way to not only cover material costs, but also position your craft as premium.
Right on. Although, I've got to ask, don't you think adding an extra fee might turn off some buyers? Isn't there a risk that they might, feel it's just a way to jack up the cost?
That's a fair point, but the idea is to balance that with authenticity. The extra fee highlights the handmade, artisan quality, much like adding a maker's process audio clip or even a craft-in-progress photo set that really builds trust.
I see what you mean. And what about early visibility? Launching with first 25 buyers exclusives. That actually sounds, really effective for sparking that initial buzz.
Definitely. It creates a sense of exclusivity that drives interest straight from the launch. Then there's the smart use of influencer hacks, sending free samples to niche bloggers and running low-cost Etsy ads on competitor keywords.
Yep, that's a clever move indeed. Oh, and automation is a game changer too. Using Etsy's free shop manager app for order tracking and bundling tip-to-batch craft items with a Trello board saves days every week. It's like, streamlining everything so you can focus on creativity.
Exactly. And then, reinvesting about 15% into premium materials to elevate perceived value really sets the stage for scaling up to that 12K monthly target. Plus, don't forget the ultimate secret, pairing your handmade repertoire with a niche Instagram reel to drive organic traffic.
Right, that digital twist is a must. Honestly, the interplay of micro-niche strategy, cost-effective tools, and savvy marketing moves makes it feel both accessible and, ambitious. This recipe seems crafted with both practicality and creativity in mind.
Absolutely. It's that blend of genuine craft passion with smart business tactics. If you nail these strategies, you're not just setting up a shop, you're building a powerhouse brand on Etsy.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for unpacking these hidden secrets. I'm definitely ready to, start experimenting with some of these ideas and see where they take my Etsy shop.
Anytime, and here's to your creative journey hitting those big numbers. Cheers to handmade mastery and innovative success.